Hey guys, so today I want to take a minute to show you how to adjust your microphone sensitivity to allow your e-learners to hear you more loudly and clearly. If you're using a Windows PC, this is really easy to do. You're going to go to the search bar in the bottom left-hand corner of your desktop where it says type search here and search for settings. Once you open up the settings app, you want to go into the system menu. Within the system menu, you're going to click on sound, and inside sound, you're going to scroll down to input and then select device properties. Now here you have the opportunity to adjust your settings. You can see if I drop it low, you're not going to be able to hear me as well. A little bit better here, probably a lot clearer there, and that's at maximum sensitivity, so you hear everything that I'm saying. Now you want to try and strike a balance between being able to hear your voice and picking up every single noise in the classroom. So play around with this function, this feature a little bit, and find the spot that is right for you and your kids. Let me know if you have any questions, guys, and good luck.